Welcome to what's new with GMS 8.3. I'm going to show you some new features in this release. To start out, we have a MODPATH simulation. Here we have some solid color path lines going to a well and a river. If we switch to layer 2 and change the MODPATH zone code of the cells in layer 2 to number 2, you will see a difference in color as the path lines move from layer 1 to layer 2. Previously, this was not the case. The path lines used to be one solid color, although the path lines could differ in color between starting code and ending code. We've added this feature so you can see the difference in zone codes as the path line passes through zones. If we go to a side view, you can see more clearly the path line passing between zones with the colors changing from red to blue. The next MODPATH feature that we've added, you can take any starting location set and convert it to a 3D scatter point set and vice versa. I'm going to take the landfill particle set and convert it to a 3D scatter point set by going to the bottom command in the right click menu, starting locations to 3D scatter point set. The newly created scatter point set is saved in the 3D scatter point data folder. Now you can convert a scatter point set to MODPATH starting locations. This means you can take any previously mapped particle data that you have measured in your model area and convert them to particle tracking starting locations. You cannot see the difference because I have the original landfill set turned on, but there is a new particle set that I just created from the 3D scatter data. Next, I'm going to show a new feature for the stream packages in MODFLOW. It's called the ISTCB2 option. This shows stream leakage from reach to reach and other stream features in MODFLOW. I'm going to open a project from the end of the SFR2 tutorial that already has a completed model with all the streams mapped out. After expanding everything in the Project Explorer, I'm going to go to the SFR2 package dialog. The ISTCB2 option is the checkbox tiled to save ISTCB2 to its own text file. I'm going to leave that blank right now, so this information goes to the CCF file. Save and run MODFLOW. After MODFLOW is complete, open up Flow Budget from the MODFLOW menu. The numbers for this option are in the stream leakage row. Now go back to the SFR2 dialog and turn on the option to save as its own text file. So now I have to save and run MODFLOW again. After running MODFLOW, we see the new text file in the Project Explorer. Here is a look at the text file. All the data is separated by reach number, segment number, stress period, time step, and other data. This clearly shows more data than in the flow budget that we saw before. For our next feature, I will read in a 3D shapefile and convert it to a 3D scatter point set and back again. To show you how to do that, I'm going to open the shapefile and change the Z magnification. You can see the 3D nature of the shapefile. Now right-click the item in the Project Explorer and navigate to Convert to Scatter Points command. The conversion is done very quickly. To convert back to a shapefile, right-click the scatter point set and go to Export. Then save the scatter point set as a shapefile. Although this is not done within GMS, you can save a 3D scatter point set as a shapefile. Yet within GMS, you can convert a 3D shapefile to a scatter point set. Our next feature has to deal with registration. Previously, we had Community Edition, and you had to receive a free license through email to run GMS. I'm going to change my registration on my machine so it is not registered. You will get an error message that says you currently have an unregistered version of GMS and it will run with limited functionality. So now, you don't have to wait for any email, you can just download it and start working right away. The last feature I want to demo in GMS 8.3 is the Report a Bug command. You are able to report a bug you find by going to the Help menu. I need to first re-register my machine. In the Report a Bug window, you can view the information we automatically include to come to us. You can also answer the questions and include your files to further help us in fixing the bug as soon as possible. As I go back to the What's New webpage, the top thing we've added is support for the MNW2 package. As we go to the wiki page, this is the Multi-Node Well 2 package. This is yet another package for MODFLOW, as we keep increasing our package selection that we offer support for in MODFLOW. Now, to help you learn the new package, we've added a new MNW2 package tutorial, and several other tutorials as denoted by the double asterisk. We've added a few CWAT tutorials, an MT3D tutorial, a stochastic modeling tutorial, and of course, the MNW2 tutorial. Those are our new features in GMS 8.3. Thanks for watching.